Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at the YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $7,903 level. We are ranked 194 with a market cap of about $262 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $30 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So for YFI, we are up 1.8% in the last 24 hours. Or sorry, we are down 1.8% in the last 24 hours. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? And so we're on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame. Binance is steady to source, right? And so right here for YFI, if you remember, the first thing we did was draw all our support and demand levels. We said prices always move from levels to levels, and prices always respect these levels. And the next thing we had was our EMAs. We said prices always also respect the EMAs, and EMAs give you basically a pictorial representation of what is happening on the chart, right? And the moment we saw this sort of massive accumulation happening right there in September stroke October, we were saying and we were hammering a lot on the channel, right? Make sure you accumulate right there in September and October, as we could see some sort of massive push to the upside, right? As you can see, the moment we saw prices push above the bull market EMA, this black EMA right here, we said that was the beginning of the push. And as you can see, since then we moved from 5,000 right here even to the $15,000 level, right? Even though I was shouting to take profits right here at the $12,000 level, because we just looked too over both right here. As you can see, when the moment we went 125%, I told you guys to take profit, and as you can see, we pushed as high as the $15,000 level, and we saw that dump, right? So what is next right here for YFI? We saw YFI continue to hold the bull market EMA for a long time, right? That sort of consolidation, which we saw in October, right, always happening with YFI. And we said so far we were holding the bull market EMA, we were still bullish. We currently have lost the bull market EMA right here, and we are contending with the confirmation EMA, right? Now, the confirmation EMA works that if we do not see price close and confirm below this blue EMA, which is our confirmation EMA, then I'm afraid we are still bullish, right? And so if we close, right, we see the EMAs close right below this confirmation EMA, then guys, that is a gobbling town scenario for YFI. But as you can see, we are still above, right? So this could basically be a fake out, and we could see that massive push to the upside, which is what I am, or the scenario that I am longing for, right? That we could see a retest of the $7,000 level, and then we could see some sort of massive push right here to the upside for YFI. So YFI continues to remain bullish. We are still holding our confirmation. We have lost the bull market EMA, but are holding the confirmation EMA. So far, we have not confirmed price action below the $7,448 level. Guys, YFI continues to remain bullish, and we are expecting higher price targets going forward, right? So that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.